inside the two foods you are seeing right now. Now, as we have here today, we will see those two kind of breads. They are eating. They are going inside the bread. This bread. And then they are getting small pieces in this bread. We are in our experiment, and look, if you look closely, very closely, you will see a lot of ants going into the apple in the hot dog. And if you check out the bread with jelly and without jelly, two ants are going inside the bread and outside. For the with jelly, they're trying to eat it.